My position, which is shared by lots of scholars all over the world, is that Israel is a colonization project that practices apartheid and is currently committing genocide.
Professor Ramsey Woodcock says he's researched his position on Israel and shared his thoughts in seminars and among other faculty, but he says not in the classroom. He's also the creator of this anti-Zionist legal studies movement website. The university got wind of his stance and this past summer launched an investigation into Woodcock's comments. On July 1st, Woodcock says he was promoted to tenured full professor, meaning he could have academic freedom on unpopular research. By July 18th, he was considered reassigned.
You know, the university claimed that it hadn't really suspended me, it had simply reassigned me to different job duties, namely the duty of doing nothing.
He says he's been suspended from teaching. The school canceled one of his classes and is banning him from access to the law building. He has decided not to wait on the months-long investigation, rather go on the offensive.
And so I don't have any alternative but to go to court and seek redress for what's going on. In my view, the investigation, the suspension, the banishment from the law school, all of these are retaliation for my protected speech.
Woodcock says if he was critical of another country, he wouldn't be in this situation.
If I had criticized Iran and called for an end to the Islamic Republic of Iran, I would not have gotten into trouble.
The university has responded to Woodcock's right to free speech stance. In a statement, the school acknowledges people have the right to express themselves, but so does the school. President Eli Capilouto says what Woodcock has expressed is repugnant. It goes on to say, quote, "Our faculty have a right to speak about their research and scholarship within their area of expertise. That right, however, doesn't extend to creating a hostile environment for people." Woodcock contends he's never called violence for anyone. So what does a win look like for Woodcock?
A win looks like my suspension being lifted, I return to teaching, the bogus investigation is called off.
Freedom of speech experts say they will keep a close eye on how this lawsuit plays out. In Lexington, with photojournalist Darnell Crenshaw, Madison Porter, WKYT.